Karachi, Pakistan's economic hub, has experienced severe climate changes in the last 20 years. Rising temperatures, irregular monsoons, and increased heat waves are affecting millions. This is not just nature, it's a result of human activity. Rising temperatures. Over the past 20 years, Karachi's average temperature has increased by around 1.5 degrees Celsius. The 2015 heatwave claimed over 1,200 lives, showing how unprepared the city is. Irregular rainfall. Monsoon patterns have shifted. Intense rains in 2020 caused urban flooding, displacing thousands and damaging infrastructure. Coastal threats. Karachi's coastline is under threat due to rising sea levels, which risk flooding low-lying areas. Air pollution. Rapid industrialization and vehicular emissions have led to poor air quality, worsening public health. Plant trees. Join initiatives like Plant for Karachi to increase urban greenery and reduce the heat island effect. Reduce waste. Limit plastic use, which clogs drains during rains, causing floods. Sustainable transport. Use public transport, carpool or cycle to reduce emissions. Spread awareness. Educate others about climate change through social media and community activities. Karachi's future depends on us. Climate change is real, but so is our power to combat it. Small steps, like reducing waste and conserving energy, can make a big difference. Let's act now for a safer, greener Karachi. Together, we can create a sustainable Karachi. Are you ready to take responsibility?